Hey, welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal, and today in this video we are going to learn about the Adobe Illustrator's Workspace. Before I start, I kindly request to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. In the previous tutorial, you have learned that how to create a new document. If you haven't watched the previous tutorial yet, you will find the link in the description below. So let's start. So what we need to do is we need to create a new document. Doesn't matter of which kind or which size, I'm just gonna create a new document. I have created a new document. This is the area where you will be creating your artwork. On the left side here is the toolbar panel with the commonly used tools. You can keep it either like this, or if you like, you can also minimize it by clicking on the arrow in the upper corner. Also, you can click on the top edge of it, hold and drag it to move it anywhere you want. If you want to move it back where it was, click on it again and drag it to this side. When you see this blue vertical line, release your mouse. Now here, you can access the workspace setup either by clicking the Essentials button on the top or by going to the window and selecting here Workspace. I will go to the Essentials button, click on the drop down icon. Here are the Illustrator's preset workspaces. For example, if you are going to work with painting, you will select Painting. You will notice that the layout of panel is changed. Illustrator has created a workspace setup that should be ideal for painting. Similarly, if you want to work with typography, you will choose Typography. And now, you will get a different workspace setup that should be ideal for typography work. Now I will tell you that how to create a customized workspace. First, let's go back to the Essentials. Here, click Essentials. Now, expand these panels. Now click on the top edge of these grouped panels, hold, drag it to the artboard. Let's do the same with the next group and the next one and then this one. And then the last one. Now there are no more panels on the right side. Now you can rearrange these panels. You can select the one particular panel and then drag away from the group. Like if you don't need any one of the panel, you simply hide that panel by clicking on this icon. Let's also hide this panel. Now, you can also bound these panels together. Just click on one, hold and drag. When you will see the blue horizontal line, release your mouse and do the same with another one. Then click on the top edge, not on the particular panel. Hold and drag to this side. Release your mouse when you see the vertical blue line. And here is your custom workspace panel. You can still modify it. If you need any other panel back, just go to Window and select the panel you want back. Click on it, hold and drag. You can drag it anywhere you want. From the window options, you can also add more panels. When you are done, you need to save it as a custom workspace. To do it, go to Window, Workspace and select New Workspace. Or you can go to Essentials pull-down menu and select New Workspace. And now, name it whatever you want and click OK. And here is your saved custom workspace. If you need to delete or rename the custom workspace, go to Essentials, Select Manage Workspace option. Select your workspace and either rename it or click here to delete it. Click Yes to confirm and click OK. Now, when you open the Essentials drop-down menu, you will see that your workspace will be gone. You will be learning about the different tools available in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.